Welcome back. The Earth Summit was held in Rio de Janeiro in the year. This was in the year 1992. 1992 is for Earth Summit and 2002 is for World Summit. This 92 meeting was in Rio de Janeiro. 2002 was in Johannesburg, South Africa. Among the evil quartet, which one is considered the most important cause driving extinction of species? Most important is habitat loss and fragmentation. Option 3 is the answer. Multiple statement. Identify the correct statement. Detritivores perform fragmentation. Correct. A is correct. So wherever you see A, that will be the answer. Strike out other ones. This will be wrong. This will be wrong. Now we have A, B, C and D, E, A. So any one statement will help you arrive at the answer. Check for the statement which is shortest. D is shortest. The detritus food chain begins with living organism. No. Detritus, the meaning of detritus is dead material. So it cannot begin with living organism. D is wrong. Option 3 is the right answer. Gauss's competition exclusion principle states that two closely related species competing for the same resource cannot coexist indefinitely and competitively inferior one will be eliminated eventually. Correct. Everything in this statement is correct. In general, carnivores are more adversely affected by competition than herbivores. This statement is exactly picked from NCERT and the statement is herbivores are more adversely affected. So this statement is incorrect. 1 is correct. Option 1 is the answer. Next one. Interaction and species. Mutualism, both are benefited. A will be 4. A4 is in 1, 3, 4. Then we have B will be either 3, 2 or 1. Commensalism, one is benefited, other is unaffected. Where do you see this? It is over here. B1. B1 is in 2 and 4. Now we have C either 4 or 2. C will be 2. Option 4 is the answer.